mask, am I right? So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Colorway Lifestyle, and today I have the second washroom haul as promised. So, it's a washroom bathroom accessories haul, and the theme today is grey and white. So it's for my second washroom which has a grey and white theme. A bit of detailing about the washroom, what I have in my washroom. I have a shower enclosure, a shower pressure pump shower panel, and I have a commode, wash basin, bathroom storage cabinet under the wash basin, and a mirror cabinet above, and I have water heater and towel stands and stuff. So first I'll go with the accessories and then I'll go into storage stuff, so and the decor stuff in the end. So let's start. The first thing I have for you is this waste bin. So this is from Home Center. Most of the stuff is from Home Center, but I have a few stuff from West Side as well. So this is a waste bin. It has a different design. As you can see, it's square at the bottom but it's circular at the top. It has a weave pattern, I think that's what you call it, and it's the color grey. It's pretty heavy, and it costs around 2599. For grey, I think you have another design option in Home Center. I don't know what the latest stuff is, but when I was there they had like two different options for grey, and this had a lot of other accessories, so I chose this design. Okay, the second thing I have for you is this hand wash storage. This is how it looks, and this particular design has this bamboo accent to it. A few of the accessories have this bamboo accent, and it's a light wood bamboo accent, so it looks really good. And I am sorry the tag is not there, but I'll link it down below, or I'll mention the price here, right here. So this is how it looks. It has the same pattern. The pump works really well. The next thing I have for you is this toothpaste stand. This is small toothpaste stand, and this is for $6.99. This is how it looks. The next thing that I have for you is a toothbrush stand. So I got two of them. It was the last in stock, so I got both of them. And it again has the bamboo accent that I told you about. It has a divider in between, and this is for $7.99. That's how it looks. I've been using this for a while, so it's not like I just got it yesterday and I'm doing a haul. So I can say this is pretty good quality, and if it gets dirty you just wipe it with a damp cloth and that is it. Okay, the next thing I have for you is this soap stand, and this retails for $5.99. This is how it looks. Again, it has the same pattern. The next thing I have for you, can you believe this? This is a toilet cleaner. I haven't used it yet. Not the brush at least. So, and this comes off. There's a screw for this. It has a steel handle. This is how it looks. And look at this. This is for $12.99. Same pattern, same design. and it looks so cute beside the commode. Doesn't look bad at all. It's just making things look cute. That is it. That transforms everything. Plus this is something you use, so utility plus cuteness, and voila. Okay, the next thing I have for you are, oh, I forgot, there's this stand. This comes for $11.99. It's like a tray. You can put your watch, your rings, or some small stuff, anything that you might need to take off before taking a bath or something like that. This is how it looks. Same pattern. Okay, now let's come to the storage side of stuff. So I found these baskets, these plastic storage baskets. They're from Home Center as well, and they came in a set. They were set of I guess 3 or 4 baskets. So this is a square bigger one, then there is a smaller one. Actually this comes in a set like this, so I got a set of 2. So this is how it looks. It's in the color grey. It totally matches my theme. Most of them I put under my basin, so the storage under my basin, so they're not visible, but to organize and so that you get them easily. So I got these. And then there's this size. I have a few things in this. I have essential oils and some stuff. So this is another size, set of 1, and I got 2. So, and then there's a bigger size, so this one, and the biggest size is this one. So I have a lot of stuff. I have soap and everything. So this is not an organizing video, but I didn't want to take it out, so this is how it is. You just put your cleaning stuff, your toiletries, your extra toiletries that you might need and stuff like that. So there's this, and again this is the biggest size that you get. So this doesn't have a lot of depth, but this one does. So here it is. It has more depth. Again, I have some cleaning supplies in it, which I'm not gonna show you. But yeah, this is pretty well organized for me. So that's it. Oh, one more thing that I have for storage is this. It comes with screws. You can hang it, you can put it on your counter. This I got for shampoos and bigger bottles, and I was planning to put it beside my shower panel. I was planning to hang it, but I still didn't. So yeah, and this is for $4.99 only. You can hang it, you can keep it on your countertop, whichever suits you best. So yeah, that's it for the storage. Now lastly, I have some decor items, some random decor items. So the first is this fake plants. I got them from Westside. I don't have the tag here, but I'll try to link it below. You get a lot of options for fake plants, smaller ones, bigger ones in Westside. So I got the smaller ones to put in my mirror cabinet. It has an open unit and it brings a bit of greenery in the washroom. So yeah, this is how it looks. I got 2 of them. It's not a set, I got them individually. And I have this beautiful flower vase, a flower vase. This is how it looks. It has roses, just for my mirror cabinet. And the last thing I have are these cute little baskets to put random stuff in, just random decor items. So these are ceramic. Another sort of decor item that I have is this. I got it from Home Center. It's for $3.99. You can hang it, you can put candles in it. So this is how it looks. And I actually got these fake candles to put inside. These I got from Amazon and they come in a set of 3. They've got 3 sizes. This is how it looks. So yeah, this is ceramic, so it's, if it will fall, it will break. So yeah, this is how it looks. And for the grey bathroom, I got a grey bucket, mug and bath stool set. You also get a set with a soap dish and other things that you might need in a bathroom. But I got the one with a bucket, mug and a bath stool because all the other things I already had from Home Center. So I got it from Amazon. I'll try to link it down below. This is how it looks. It's from the company Nyasa. So it has a light grey accent on the bucket as well. So it's a light and dark grey. And the same pattern is on the mug. And the bath stool. So it's a set of 3. Well, I guess that is it for the haul. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like this video, if it was helpful for you, then like this video, subscribe to my channel and please share it with your friends. Thank you so much everyone. Bye.